36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Marion Mark Clark presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, driving. When your name is called, please unmute your devices and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Thank you very much. Case number U-634-29022. Sandeha Daffer, D-A-F-E-R. The charge is miscellaneous business license violation. Mr. Sandeha Daffer, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Sandeha Daffer.
Thank you.
Hi. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. Thank you. This next case is SP 130-15831. Saranjit Dalawal. Now, I know I'm mispronouncing that, but I'm doing my best. Saranjit Dalawal. First name is spelled S-H-A-R-A-N-J-I-T. The charge is driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2 of that same ticket, no insurance. Both matters are scheduled for trial today. Mr. Dalawal, or Miss Dalawal, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record. Please unmute.
Saranjit Dalawal.
Thank you, Ms. Dalawal. And the court is also calling Robbins McGee, and that case number is SP 130-70111. Michelle Robbins McGee, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2 of the same ticket, no insurance. Count 3, license improper. Also for Ms. Robbins McGee, case number SP 130-70211. No proof of insurance. All matters scheduled for trial or formal hearing. Ms. Robbins McGee, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Michelle Robbins McGee.
Thank you. And the court is calling Darius Robertson, SP 135-62681. Darius Robertson, no insurance. Count 2, narcotic drug violation. And count 3 of that same ticket, improper equipment. If Mr. Darius Devon Robertson is in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Darius Robertson.
Thank you. And Keith Rutherford, case number 223-562-331. Keith Linnell Rutherford. The charge is drag racing. That matter also scheduled for trial this morning. Mr. Keith Robert Rutherford, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Keith Rutherford.
Thank you. Who is representing these persons?
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of the defendants, all matters set for trial this morning. Defense is ready to proceed. It's my understanding these officers have not checked in. I move for dismissal.
That motion is granted. These matters are all being dismissed this morning for lack of a complaining officer. That means that the people may bring these charges again. The court is merely dismissing them because the officer has failed to appear. Before I release each of you from the hearing this morning, I'm going to ask you if you have any questions. Mr. Daffer, any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir. You may disconnect from the hearing. Ms. Dalawal, any questions? Any questions, Ms. Dalawal? If not, you may disconnect. Ms. Robbins McGee, any questions?
No, ma'am.
You may disconnect. Ms. Robertson, Darius Robertson, any questions?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Disconnect, sir. And Keith Rutherford, any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
You may also disconnect from the hearing. The court is leaving the live stream at this time. If there is no one ready, Ms. Murphy, is there anyone else ready at this time?
I
No.
need Ms. Horn.